Hey guys, before I want to start the video, I just want to point out my brand new downhill bike. I want to congratulate myself on it. It's a Giant Glory, and I did some cool stuff to it. Put this, my buddy's old tire thingamabobber, so doesn't get damaged when I'm on the trails. Bought an $8 mud guard, which no one really gives a crap. But now I want to point out some cool features. This is the RockShox Domain. Double crown. Got rear shock. It's pretty cool. Then I got some Magic Marys up in front. Then I got some Toro back, or Hutchinson. Don't even know. Don't give a crap. Okay. But yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. Got some hydraulic disc brakes. I like flat pedals so I can eject faster. I swear to God, you put that in the comments if that's what she said. I will personally not block you, alright? And that was a voice crack. And yeah, that's it, right? That's pretty much it. Huh?
Where we starting at?
Let's just do
Here? Original from here?
Yeah, why not?
Gonna get on the horse. Alright guys, this is the 2017 Fort William Road Cup track. I'm gonna take you on a little ride.
Yeah.
Right? Let's get it.
I almost crashed. Gonna get a little slow right now. Huh? Hit this part, hit this part. Yes.
Alright guys, here in Scotland on the 2017 World Cup track. Getting pretty gnarly up on the Neville Range here in northeastern Scotland. Oh, a little off camera there. We're gonna hit the cruiser line down to the bottom. Hope we don't get stuck in a connie. Yeesh. Oh yeah, roosting it really hard. Going a little bit. And he's flying down the mountain. Yeesh. Yep. Taking the cruiser line. Whew. Mahalo. Send it, go. Whoosh. Alright guys, we're doing no brakes. Oh yeah, never mind, we're doing some brakes. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I'm getting loose. Oh. 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 Dude, that was gnarly. Dude, I almost touched your tire. Shit. Oh, that was gnar.